I want to take a quick look at the Blackmagic Camera app. That's right, it's an app for iPhone. I'll put up here which versions it's currently compatible with, and many Android phones, not all, the higher end Android phones. Um, it's a free app, and it's compatible with more and more devices as time goes on. And I've gotten it to run on things that are not technically compatible. So check it out. It's worth your while because it is a free kind of pro level app for recording videos on your phone. And it dovetails seamlessly with Blackmagic Cloud, which is what I want to look at today. So here I have a little, we'll pretend it's kind of a travel vlog. So we have little motorcycle footage. We've got some Mauna, that's Wallawai, and then some Alaska air footage. So yeah, you know what? This is a travel vlog, and in all travel vlogs, we need to have a cup of coffee in it. So let's go ahead and fire up the Blackmagic camera, and let's go ahead and get our shot. Yeah. Nice Hawaii coffee mug. That's the lifestyle right there. So after I've shot the video, I'm going to go into media on the app and have a look at the shot. Yep, that's good. That's good. And then there's a little cloud icon up here at the top. So we'll hit that, and it'll ask us which of the projects that I have access to do I want to upload it to. Well, this is the Blackmagic camera, and I'm going to upload it. And since I'm on Wi-Fi, it will automatically start uploading it. You can change it in the settings if you want to use cell data, and you can also change it whether you want to upload proxies or proxies and the original. We'll just do proxies for the moment. So now that has uploaded a file, and you can see in the project it says now a camera upload. Go ahead and open that up, drag that down. Oh, without audio, so I'm going to grab it here. And yeah, that fits a lot better than the Alaska footage, don't you think? So we'll just go ahead and trim that in and slide it over to get the good part in the middle. And we'll get rid of Alaska. Now I've also set this to open gate, so it's square, which is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom that in and pull it down. There. Now we have a more appropriate shot. Shot on a phone, automatically uploaded to Blackmagic Cloud because I have the settings that way. Now, so if we look in the camera settings and we go to the media settings, you can see that it gives you the option at the top to record proxies if you want at the same time. So that'll make the proxy at the same time you're filming, save you a little bit of time uploading it. And then upload clips gives you the options of proxies only or originals and proxies. What I would do is leave it on proxies, and then when you know that your editor has a file that they want, then you would switch to originals and proxies, go back to the media page, get the file that they want, and then upload it again. Now, this is the full res file now, which is going to take a moment, so we'll let it do that and then confirm that it's in our project. While that's uploading, let's take a look at what it takes to set up a Blackmagic account. Because if you're going to have a remote camera person adding footage to your project, they need to have their own Blackmagic Cloud account. Fortunately, that is free. So you go to blackmagicdesign.com, you'll see the login little cloud icon. You click that, and that'll take you to a login page, which also has a button to create a free account. Create a free account. You give them the information they're asking for. Make sure it's a valid email address. And remember that email address that you're signing up with, because that is the handle for the whole account. Sign up, it'll do a little confirmation bit, so on. Now, if you are the administrator of the cloud account, you need to grant access to each individual person that has access to that project library. So you will log into your cloud account, go to your project server, and let's grab this library here. Go to the sharing tab along the right side of the screen and share project library down at the bottom. And this is where you would type in the email address of the person who has set up their cloud account. Once you do that, it'll send them an email. They will confirm, and then the project library will show up in their list on the Blackmagic Camera app, and they can then upload footage directly to your project. Pretty snazzy, huh? Let's see if this is done. Go back. Resolve. Disable all proxies. Do you know why it's not there? Because we also have to change the settings on this computer or specifically download the original file. But here's how you do that. You can take the file that you want and you go to sync original media. And that will begin the process of downloading the original media from the cloud. And you can see down here in the corner, the progress bar goes pretty quick because I'm on pretty fast internet. And now we have indeed the full resolution file to use in our wonderful travel vlog here. We go back to our edit. You can see that the purple bar above on the timeline that indicates that this was only a proxy file is now gone, and we have a full resolution, gorgeous shot of the Hawaii mug to go along with our travel vlog. That is one of the reasons why I highly recommend, if you're using Blackmagic Cloud with remote people who are adding to your projects, instead of having them take the camera file and put it on Google Drive or try to upload it to iCloud and sit here like keeping the screen alive so the cloud project, the upload doesn't stop. Use the Blackmagic Camera app, which is available for free. Use the Blackmagic Cloud projects, which are available for free to your community members or your remote editors or remote camera people. And use that system to streamline everything. It's not flawless, but it's really super handy. So give it a try. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for coming along. We'll catch you later.